Best AI businesses idea that can make you rich. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. From automation to content creation, AI offers endless opportunity for entrepreneurs. If you are looking for the best AI business idea that can make you rich, this video is for you. Today, I will share AI powered business idea that require little to no technical knowledge. These ideas are scalable, profitable, and can be started with minimal investment. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss out on any valuable insights. AI powered content creation. Content is king, and AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can generate high quality written content in minutes. You can start a content creation agency and offer blog writing, copywriting, or social media content service. Many businesses need content for their websites, ads, and emails, and AI can help you deliver fast and efficiently. If you prefer to work independently, you can create your own blog or YouTube channels and use AI to automate content production. Monetizing through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing can generate long term incomes. AI generated YouTube automation. AI can help you create YouTube videos without showing your face. You can use ChatGPT for scripting, AI voiceover for narration, and video generation tool like Pictory and Synthesias. You can make videos on trending topics, finance, tech, or AI itself. YouTube automation channel can be monetized through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. With constant uploads, this can turn into a full-time business. AI chatbot development. Businesses need chatbot to automate customer service, and AI make it easy to create ones. Platforms like ManyChat and ChatFuel allow you to build chatbots without coding. You can sell chatbot services to businesses and charge a monthly fee for maintenance. Chatbots can be used for e-commerce, customer support, and lead generation. As more businesses go digital, and the demand for AI chatbot is increasing. AI powered digital marketing agency. AI can automate ad creation, SEO optimization, and email marketing. You can start a digital marketing agency that use AI to help businesses grow online. AI powered tools like Surfer SEO, Adojoma, and Canva make it easier to run ads and create content. You can offer service like Facebook and Google Ads management, social media marketing, and AI driven analytics. Businesses are willing to pay thousands of dollars for marketing services that bring results. Selling AI generated digital products. AI can create ebooks, online course, and design asset that you can sell online. Platforms like Gumroad, Technable, and Amazon kindly allow you to list your products and earn passive income. You can use AI to generate content, edit images, and even create music trackers. Once your product is listened, you can earn money every time someone's make a purchase. AI consulting and training. Many businesses and individuals want to learn how to use AI tools. You can start an AI consulting businesses and take people how to use AI for productivity, automation, and marketing. You can offer online coaching, webinar, and paid consultation. As AI adoption grows, this can become a highly profitable businesses. AI website can and app development. AI powered website builders like Wix ADI and Shopify make it easy to create professional websites. You can start a web design agency that build AI driven website for businesses. Similarly, AI powered app development tools allow you to create mobile apps without coding. Selling AI powered website and app solution can be a high ticket businesses with huge profit margins. AI powered e-commerce automation. E-commerce businesses need AI to optimize pricing, manage inventory, and improve customer experience. You can start an AI-powered dropshipping store that automate order fulfillment, customer support, and marketing. AI tools like Shopify, Kit, and Adozoma help with product research and ad management. This allows you to scale your e-commerce businesses with minimal effort. AI driven stock market and crypto analysis. AI can analyze a stock market trends and predict profitable investment. You can create an AI powered financial advisor service that provide a stock market insight, crypto trading signals, or investment strategy. Platforms like TradingView and Coinurules allow you to automate trading based on AI prediction. If you have knowledge in finance, you can monetize AI based stock market strategies through paid membership and consulting. AI voice over and audiobook service. AI voice generator like Murph and 11 Lives create realistic voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, and podcasts. You can start a businesses offering AI generated voiceover for businesses and content creators. There is a high demand for audiobooks, and you can use AI to convert books into audio format and sell them on platforms like Audible. This is an easy way to make money with AI technology. AI is the future, and those who take advantage of AI businesses opportunity today will be ahead of the competition. Whether you choose content creation, chatbot development, or e-commerce automation, AI can help you build a successful online businesses. Start with an idea that match your skill and interest. Take action and scale your businesses over time. AI is here to stay, and now is the best time to turn it into a profitable businesses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with AI businesses idea you are excited to start.